Well, what do you think about Ozempic then, that hot term? Is it, well, good is probably not the right way to ask that.
Does it work? And is it safe?
Does it?
Yes and yes.
Okay. Yeah. It is safe. Okay.
But I will say we have better options. So Monjouro is another somewhat class. It's not solely a GLP-1.
Okay.
It works, I think, better. And I think the data also supports it working better. Individuals can lose more body fat, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Also seems to have less side effects, nausea and vomiting. But what I think is fascinating is the only time in medicine that we've seen this robust amount of weight loss before was bariatric surgery.
Oh, wow.
And now
tell me about that.
Individuals, so when diet drugs started, it started with desiccated thyroid. It started with thyroid medication, and then it started with something called DMP, which seemed to be very toxic to the body. And then, of course, you move into phentermine and all these various other kinds of weight loss medications. And their percentage of efficacy is anywhere between 3 and 5%. Maybe at the very most 10%, which I don't even think it's that high.
Okay.
These kind of medications are, Ozempic someone could lose 14% of their body weight.
Jeez.
And Monjouro is even higher.
Wow. And you think they're just going to keep coming out with
There's
more
going to be multiple
companies.
generations.
It's going to be, keep getting better and better. Isn't it like Norway or is it, no. It's, what country, their whole GDP based is on Ozempic? It's one of those European countries.
So Eli Lilly is a European country. Eli Lilly is a European company.
Yeah.
And they will charge $100 for the medication. They charge Americans 10 times more.
Wow.
It would cost an American $1,000 versus in, a different country, and it's $100.
Huh. I heard someone saying that the next person running for president should make this their number one stance of just making
but it's crazy.
Free.
So we're subsidizing a lot of money for large pharmaceuticals. And this is where compounding pharmacies like Empower Pharmacy, which is the largest compounder in the world, makes medications available to the public at a much lower cost.
There you go. Well, that's good to know. So no side effects.
There are side effects.
Not like long term, though.
I mean, these drugs have been around for a long time.
They've been around for a long time.
They've been around for a long time. Overall, I believe them to be very safe and effective.